Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a secret tips to get the candy faster in Fish It game on Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up the Christmas event and we need to earn candies. And after you complete your daily quest, you will get the candy. Okay, and then guys, I'm going to show you how you can farm the candy faster. Wait, let me go to the Christmas island. You can use the portal right here to go to the Christmas island instantly. Okay, it's right here guys, and I'm going to teleport. And after you have arrived at the Christmas Island, you can talk to the NPC, and every hour the NPC will give you free candies. Okay, I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I got the candy canes, but it only happened, you can claim it every 1 hour. You need to go back after 1 hour. Okay guys, and that's how you can get free candies in Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.